Welcome to the 21st Century Learning Commons, a look at resource organization and management. Many things go into organizing and managing a school library. Let's start by looking at design. When considering our library design, we have to think of the physical constraints of our space, who will be using the library, and how it will be used. Sometimes we have to work with what we have. If you're really lucky, you'll have the opportunity to build the library or learning commons that your students deserve. Think about who will be using your library when planning a redesign. Brainstorm, lots. Plan, plan, plan. Talk with staff members, fellow teacher librarians, parents, and students. Ask what they want of the school library. Read library journals and visit other libraries. Watch how people use the library. What type of furniture would work best? Can students access the books on the higher shelves? Is there room for displaying books? Okay, so we've looked at design. Now we need to think about our library collection. The first step is to get to know the current collection. Identify holes in the collection. Ensure that the collection covers the curriculum being taught in the school. You need to do some weeding. You need to do some evaluating, and you need to do some acquiring. Look at what you have, get rid of the stuff you don't want, and go buy the things you need. You need to organize the collection. The collection can be organized with the Dewey Decimal System. There are 10 classes and then subclasses for further organization. Some schools prefer to organize their resources into neighborhoods, and others are using a bookstore model where books are grouped by genres. The next things you need to explore is cataloging and policies. Many school divisions have policies already in place informing library staff of the guidelines to follow when developing or weeding the collection. Take the time to get to know it. If your school does not have a written policy to guide you, one needs to be created. Cataloging. Take the time to develop a current and accurate catalog. This will ensure that your patrons and you will be able to find resources when you're looking for them. You can create the records yourself, or, if you prefer, you can purchase accurate records at the same time as you purchase your books. Some last thoughts. What do you think about censorship? Someday, someone will approach you asking for a book to be pulled from a shelf. Think about what your reaction will be. If you don't already have a policy in place, develop one. You are on your way to being a superhero, or at least a super teacher librarian.
Created using Powtoon.